Tomorrow is April 1st. Even I'm going to do assembly. I'm going to practice it here with no mistakes. I'm here. Catch a Little Rhyme by Even Miriam. Once upon a time, I caught a little rhyme. I sat on the floor, but it ran right out the door. I chased it on my bicycle board and melted to an icicle. I scooped it up in my hat, but it turned into a cat. I caught it by the tail, but it stretched into a whale. I folded it in a boat, but it changed into a goat. Then I fed it tin and paper, it became a tall skyscraper. Then it grew into a kite and flew far out of sight.
Name. What's your name?
My name is Ezell Harris.